Ever wondered how many ways you can cook rice? A simple grain, yet versatile in every way. It's a staple food that's embraced by cultures across the globe. From the fragrant jasmine rice of Thailand, to the savory arborio of Italy, and the fluffy basmati of India. Each culture has its unique spin, transforming this humble grain into a culinary masterpiece. Today we'll walk you through 4 mouthwatering recipes: biryani, pilau, rice beef, and rice beans. First up, we have biryani, a vibrant dish hailing from the Indian subcontinent. Imagine a dance of spices, merging in harmony, each contributing its unique note to the symphony. The star performers? Aromatic spices like cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. They're sautéed with basmati rice, creating a melody of flavors. Add to this a robust chorus of succulent meat, and you've got a symphony in a pot. And there you have it, a pot of steaming, fragrant biryani ready to be devoured. Moving on to our second recipe, pilau, a popular dish from the Middle East. Picture a pan simmering with fragrant spices, cumin, cardamom, and cinnamon. In goes the long-grained rice, soaking up the aromatic concoction. As it cooks, the grains swell, absorbing the flavors and turning into a mouth-watering delight. Finally, a sprinkle of fresh herbs adds a pop of color. The result? A dish that's not just food, but a sensory experience. With that, your aromatic pilau is ready to serve. Now let's explore 2 comfort foods that are easy to prepare and satisfying: rice beef and rice beans. Rice beef is a classic meal that's as straightforward as it is hearty. Start by sautéing diced onions and minced garlic until they're golden. Add your choice of ground beef, stirring until it's browned and cooked through. Then, mix in cooked rice, season with salt and pepper, and voila! You have a dish that's as comforting as it is simple. Switching gears now, let's head to rice beans. Begin by sautéing onions and garlic, just like in the rice beef. Add cooked beans of your choice, followed by cooked rice. Stir it all together, sprinkle in your favorite spices, and there you have it. Another simple, yet incredibly satisfying dish. These dishes are perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something quick, comforting, and delicious. And there you have it, rice beef and rice beans, simple yet delicious dishes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds. So there you go, 4 unique recipes to spice up your rice meals. Biryani, a symphony of spices, and pilau, a taste of the Middle East, both offer a flavorful journey for your taste buds. Then there's the comforting rice beef and rice beans, homely dishes that are sure to fill you up. We encourage you to try these recipes and explore the wide world of rice dishes. Remember, with rice, the possibilities are endless.